17 साल किसी के जीवन में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होते हैं। कोई युवा हो तो उसके लिए भी, या कोई युवा फेस्टिवल हो, लेकिन 17 वर्षों में IFFI की यात्रा बहुत उपलब्धियों भरी रही। इट्स फुल ऑफ अचीवमेंट्स। इफ यू लुक एट द लास्ट 17 years of IFFI, it has actually become an international festival. We have seen this year close to 2,900 plus applications for the film festival, which is close to 3 times more than the last year. That clearly shows the interest in the International Film Festival of India, and I'm sure with the new inventions and innovations, new technology, especially the VFX and other sectors where audio visuals, gaming, comics, visual effects, animation, this all is bringing a lot of post-production work to India. We are going to announce a new filmmaking policy today for the international production houses, and I'm sure it's going to be one of the best in the world. Just wait for the announcement. We have seen a lot of interest in the post-production also, in the co-production also. And today at the Film Bazaar, I have seen there are more than 1,000 participants from across the world, which clearly shows the interest is growing. And I am sure the kind of effort which has been put in by the ministry and all the stakeholders, IFFI with the India media and entertainment industry growing by 20% every year, and we are among the 5 largest media and entertainment economies of the world. The future is ours. The way Indian economy is going to be the 3rd largest in next 5 years, and I'm sure our media and entertainment industry is going to be among the 3rd largest entertainment industries of the world. Thank you.